season, Captain Chambers is expecting the very best from his crew.
Yachting runs on leadership, teamwork and respect. And that starts at the top. I can't have what happened last year with my heads of department at each other.
I know you've been a I'm being a You have seemed so unorganised.
Stop what you are doing. Please, now. Well, someone needs to take control. And when
Yeah, but that's your job.
Don't
Talk to me!
This season, I need professional, seasoned heads of department. There's no room for chaos out here. Everyone needs to know their role and execute it.
So much.
Holy
From
moly.
below deck down under, please welcome Captain Jason Chambers. Bravo.
Oh, you are super handsome. They told me you were like super handsome.
Hey, Ben.
I've never had that greeting
Have a
before.
seat. Have a seat.
Welcome.
Oh, you got to move over there so we can
Whoops.
get a single shot of you. And here's some water straight from
Thank
the
you.
East River. We hope you
Let's-
enjoy it. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm
what
all
is-
rugged up.
Are you hot? I'm hot. You feel like you got a lot of
look,
layers.
I'm in
It's
Bali.
cold outside.
gosh.
I'm in Bali in Indonesia, so I'm actually.
You're probably dying outside right
well,
now.
now you're
freezer.
showing
I'm in a
off.
Welcome
freezer.
to New
Now
York.
you're showing up. What is happening this season? What can fans expect?
Well, we brought together the A team this year. 40 years of experience, lots of return crew members, so obviously it'll be drama free.
Yeah, right, of course. And that's the thing is, like, you know, you get to a point where you do these shows for several seasons, each cast member, and they're like, oh, I know better than you. No, I know better than you. No, I better. So you're just
right.
like clashing egos. It's like Clash of the Titans.
That, you couldn't have said it even better.
Thank you.
You'd think bringing such experience together that
Yeah.
would you'd have a bit of smooth sailing. It tested me a lot as a leader as well. Like
Really?
from managing the big personalities, the egos as well. I couldn't tell them what to do. I had to
Of
direct
course.
them,
Yeah.
show them the path, lead the horse to water.
Right.
But the best thing about our season, which I'm starting to pick up on, because I don't see much of it at all.
Really?
No,
By
I see what I
design,
see.
or-
No, I'm driving the boat.
Yeah.
So it's not until when the audience sees it that I really see it all coming. But as the year goes on in the editing, I'm starting to pick up on what's happening, and it's going to be not that love drama. It's actually going to be workplace drama.
I like the love drama.
I like the
there's always a
workplace
little bit of
drama.
That's when there's hot tub sexy time and there's like
There's
all
always
the,
that.
all
There's
the
always
people
that.
are hooking up
Now,
with
let
each
me
other.
ask you this. Workplace drama at a place like Pix. We got an HR department. She's right there on the 10th floor.
Yeah.
What happens on a boat?
Well, that's what I'm there for, I suppose.
You're in
You
charge.
have to be HR also?
Well, we have to do all that for sure.
Oh,
yeah.
gosh.
So in previous seasons, we had to really put the foot down on a few things as well. But this season, I think the audience is just going to love it from start to finish. It actually starts off full throttle the whole way, and
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to it.
When people are like, is this hard to kind of wrangle everybody? Do you just look at them and say, I played rugby. I can handle anything.
Did you play rugby?
Yeah, I
What
did.
position?
I was sent. I used to be able to run before the knees
Before
blew
the knees.
out. But
Fair, okay.
You know, it's my favorite sport.
It is.
I don't know how to play. I don't understand it one bit, but I watch it constantly.
Well, that's how I got into this industry. I came over here to play,
Yeah.
and I went up to Rhode Island to visit a friend, and he was working on a boat. So I ended up giving that career away and
You went from
getting on a
rugby
boat.
to sailing.
a lot better for the knees.
I went from rugby to television, so here
Right.
we are.
Also better for the knees. Yeah.
Although you'd be surprised.
Yeah.
Okay, we have some special guests.
Yes.
Full charter with the Real Housewives of Salt Lake City. What could
Yes.
possibly go wrong?
Nothing at all.
Cross promotion.
They were amazing, to be quite honest. I hung out with Heather and Whitney down in Australia at a Bravo event, and look, all of them together. Usually on a charter you'll have a primary guest. They were all primary. Yes.
Yeah.
Right. They were all the alphas.
They were. It was
Every
on.
single one
It's a
of them.
stressful job, though. People think, oh, you're just on a boat with a bunch of beautiful people. This is an
No.
incredibly stressful job.
Oh, that's one of the biggest things. When we walk onto the boat, like a lot of the crew are not returning, so I don't know them, and so there's safety issues there. There's a lot of machinery going on. There's a lot of aspects that go logistics that are happening behind the scenes. This is a real show.
It's
We've got
a real working boat.
We can't. The cameras fade away very quickly,
Yeah.
and we're into it.
And you have
Yeah.
the inflatable slide, right? The
we-
biggest pain in the butt.
It is.
Everybody hates the inflatable slide on every
Why
below
are
deck.
you acting like you know from the inflatable slide? Like you
Because
have had to
I'm-
go down one.
Everything I own is inflatable. No, but I know that they're always complaining about the inflatable slide. The water sport stuff and the inflatable slide is always a problem.
Oh, it's fun. Once they get it up, I have a lot of fun.
Okay, when you are not captaining a super yacht, what cockles your chimes?
Well, I've got a little gorgeous little girl, so
There
I'm
you
using.
go.
Yeah, she's 11, so that's.
That's busy.
More drama.
That's 11-year-old girl, that's a lot.
Yeah, she's moving into that phase. So,
Yeah.
look, before this, I was a captain, and I still am a captain, but I was at sea for probably 80% of the time.
Right.
This new venture in life is giving me the opportunity to be with her for 80% of the time.
Oh, that's
awesome.
wonderful.
I didn't see her for 2 years during COVID, so I made an option to just dedicate 2 years to her, and then Below Deck made a phone call, and I thought, why not give it a go?
Oh, way to go.
We got to go, but in rugby, why do you lift people up?
Oh, in the side
How do you
ups,
lift
yeah.
them up? What does that do?
Because we're usually short and stumpy. Yeah.
I want to play.
Well, thank you so much
Thank
for
you very
joining
much.
Thank you, I
us.
appreciate it.
A lot of fun.